Hello, I have this stage 2 part of the design. I have my song here playing. I actually built the entire hardware. I'm just going back and recording the videos for each stage. But I unplugged the last stage, so I guess bear with me. So I'm gonna first show. I currently have right here. Let me use this pointer. So I have this first stage here. I explained in the previous video where the op amp audio mixer goes into the volume control. Now the volume control, I have green wire that goes into the high pass filter. And the red wire below goes into the low pass filter here. I feed them into op amps where there's a gain of about 4. I overshoot the voltages initially for the diodes because my phone that I'm recording with has a very low peak-to-peak voltage output. But with this phone, I have a pretty decent one. So I didn't need that much gain, but I'm not going to change the design. I'm just going to change the volume control, which I already adjusted. I have the peak detector next. The high pass filter is, let me adjust the camera. The high pass filter's peak detector is on the top, and the low pass filter is on the bottom. I currently have this blue channel 2 plugged into the low pass filter, and this orange channel 1 plugged into the low pass filter after the peak. Here are my results. As you can see, I'm capturing pretty much all the peaks. It's not quite the peak because there's a forward voltage drop in the diodes, so you don't pick up the whole entire signal. My design picks up about 8 to every 9 beats. Now I'm going to switch to viewing the high pass filter. And you can see that the frequencies are much higher. And just to demonstrate that the peak detector is working, I'm going to take away channel 2 to show that I am going at my peaks. The voltage outputs are about almost 0.5 to 0.7 volts. That's with the phone I'm using currently. And that is it. I'll show the last stage at the end.